Hello guys, it's me Jay, and today we're gonna be playing some serious Crossy Road. That was my best Grinch accent. Yay! 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 No applause? Okay. That's loud. I just killed you people. This play is the only horse doing what he does in the world. He knows what he needs in a car. He dies. There you go. Now this is Z the Dragon. Or G the Dragon. Z. Yeah. Wow, boom boom. You're giving me. Let's open up some pack things. Oh, P, what? How do I already have? How do I forget the baby duck. I love the beast. Fish and chips. Excuse me. I got the piggyback. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I named Bobby. 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 I think this is it's known as a policeman in Britain, a Bobby, so don't wanna mess with them. you see, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take over Whoville by dawn, and then eat the rest of their cookies by 5. Voila, the best accent for the Grinch ever. Not as good as my Russian accent. You know what Sergey says? Life is hard. But life is never hard. Dun 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 dun. That is me making weird sounds with my mouth. I'm gonna make a video on that. That'd be awesome. Oh, crud. Concentrate on what you're doing, Jay. Gosh. Can't stop getting the concentration away from Bobby. It's Bobby. It's Bobby, the magician. It's Bobby the magician. He comes to your house and steals your wallet. Bobby the magician. He puts notices on your house. And then he cries away. Thank you. No applause again. Gosh. You guys are sick. You guys are really sick. I actually tried to make this video a couple of times before. They both failed. Because of interruptions, you can say. Most likely just rude barge in room things. Dun, 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 dun. I'll play one more time after this, just to be good at this. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a record-ish. Okay, this is gonna be the last time I'm playing, and I'm gonna play as... Who should I play? The tree. Yes, it had to be done. It had to be done. We had to remove the Doge. The Doge is the only way we could have done this. Oh no. Oh no. Soak heart? What does that even mean? Afraid to get? 11. No. No, please. Please go. This is not good. What's going on? Okay. I'll see you guys later. See you in the next video.